3, 2, 1. Here we go. Oh, man. Gotta go! Is that where the it guy lives? Oh my god! Someone behind us walking. Whoa, jeez! The rain starts picking up. Oh my god, this stinks! No one. Oh my god. This is dangerous. What am I doing with my life?
Can't wait so we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this an antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with.
Whoa, jeez. When the rain starts picking up. Oh my god, this stinks. No one. Oh my god, it stinks. People got their house poisoned up. It's insane. This is dangerous. My phone should probably be dead. Hi! Someone caught me recording. Someone said hi in the background. Oh, okay, I'm just running through the storm because I'm a savage. This is insane. 35-mile-per-hour winds. Can you guys even hear me? I don't even know. Clear that for you. 35-mile-per-hour winds. This hurts. Just going through this, it hurts. It stinks. No one should ever do this. Ever. Do not attempt what I'm doing, because this is very dangerous. Run! It's coming! It's coming! It's coming! Run! Run for your lives! Oh my god! I'm soaked everywhere you can imagine. This is dangerous. What am I doing with my life? This is insane. Going through a hurricane. I'm not even a news reporter. I'm getting soaking wet, as well as this case. It's not even waterproof. Oh my god, that hurts. Oh, that stinks. That stinks. It really hit really hard, really fast. If I take this, oh my god. Woo! This is it. It's getting more tense. Whoa! If I see a tornado, I'm looking. I can't even see with my eyes. It hurts so bad. Oh my god! Oh my god! That thing's gonna fly off. See, things that I learned about my hurricane. Gotta walk backwards. Gotta walk backwards. If I find any brakes after this, I'm with it. My eyes. I feel like I'm underwater. I didn't know we were at a water park. Whoa, that thing just fell. I just saw that fell. That just fell. I just literally saw that fell. I saw it the way it was falling. I saw that. That thing fell. Stay safe, everyone who's in Florida. Stay safe, everyone. Alright guys, I decided to document the rest of the storm instead of just like actually going into the storm. I decided to actually show you my whole experience with the storm. So I'm inside my room right now, and this window right here, I am pretty sure the winds are right now are like 60 miles per hour, 60, and like this window right here can only hold up to 45 miles per hour, 45. So I don't know if I can do that, or not what I can do. I don't think this window can hold up like that much wind, that speed coming through. And the hurricane's coming from that way. No wait, yeah, like straight on that way. So it's like a direct hit to the window. So I don't know if this window's gonna break or not. So I'm just gonna document everything right now. I can't really see out there. I know for a fact you could hear that. as I'm putting my hand on this window, you can feel like the window pushing in, which is not a good idea, but it's pretty scary. You know, I'm surprised right now. It's like 11 something right now. I don't know. It's like you can see down below the time right now. But I just it's late and we still have power, and I don't know how we have power, but I'm just gonna document everything. If this window breaks, I'm gonna show you. This is my room. I actually cleared my things out. I have my stuff. Like there used to be a poster there. There used to be a poster there. You see these holes in it? These have posters, but guess what? I had to move all this stuff. So, because I know for a fact this window's gonna break and everything's gonna get flooded. I'll get back to you in the video, so we'll see what happens. I don't know what's gonna. I'll probably, if the power goes out, and I'll probably let you know. But if this window's break, I'll also let you know. And tomorrow, when the daytime shines, I'm just gonna see if I can see what happens, you know. So, because I don't know. This is a hurricane. You never know what's gonna happen in a hurricane. So we'll see. I don't know what's gonna happen. Kind of like stressed out. I can't really sleep. It's midnight. I kind of want to go to bed, but I can't with this hurricane happening right now. So hopefully I survive this. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see me, but it's 1 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm about to go outside to check out the storm, so let's check it out. Still haven't lost any power, by the way. We're still good. I want to explore the neighborhood at this time of night. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, okay, well. Okay, guys, it's almost 4 o'clock in the morning right now. Almost 4 o'clock in the morning. The storm is pretty much over right now. It's just like 45, 50 mile per hour wind, you know, something around there. So it's not that bad, but that was a pretty intense storm. I thought this window was gonna break. It did not, thankfully. Nothing flooded, so I can like put everything back up tomorrow. So, or technically today, because it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know what's gonna be presented to us tomorrow, because I don't know how bad the hurricane did to other houses near me. So I guess we'll find out tomorrow. And yeah, let's just head on to the next clip, which should be in the morning. So I'll see you in the next clip. I wanted to show you guys what Hurricane Irma did to my house. Oh, look, a lizard! I see a lizard! Well, you see, we have the screen right here. And yeah, it ripped. You can see it ripped right here. This ripped. That ripped. This is fine. That's dangling. Yeah, there's just a bunch of screens that ripped and stuff. And my basketball hoop, this, as you can see in the date, oh look, hi friend. That's a big lizard. I spent the past couple days, or 2 days, fixing my stuff again. Yeah, there's a dog right there. I've been seeing him the past 2 days, and he's been really annoying. But we took down the basketball hoop that never fell down. Oh yeah, as you can see, the fence fell down over there. So these fences, they're kind of leaning, but they're still up. Yeah, there's a lot of missing tiles on my roof as well. There's a lot of missing tiles up there. Yeah, the fence is pretty much broken from that way. That's pretty much it. So, yeah, I'm sorry this is so late. It's like 2 days or 3 days later from the storm. I just been cleaning up the mess and stuff like that. But I'm sorry about that. But I'm okay, so that's all that matters. My friends and family, everyone's fine. So that's what I'm grateful for. So, that's pretty much the video, guys. That's pretty much it. I got nothing else to show you. something I wanted to tell you guys about. This channel, it's derived. I was thinking about it for the longest time. I don't know if you guys know, but I have a second channel. It's called Derived Plays. It'll be in the description below if you want to subscribe to it. That I've thought about it for months and months and months. You can see in that channel it doesn't really have that much videos. I haven't posted in a while, and I've just been thinking for the longest time, like, what do I want to do with that channel? So it's called Derived Plays, and it's a gaming channel, but this also was a gaming channel. But I don't know. It's just the past like couple months I've been thinking about like this channel, and I feel like this channel should be for vlogs and like entertaining stuff, not just vlogs, but like if I want to do a challenge video or just want to hang out with my friends, anything, like it could be anything, just not gaming videos. And I was thinking about that, so this channel, I'm starting to think as of right now this channel is just going to be a vlogging channel, or you know, just an entertainment channel. And then my Derived Plays, my second channel, will be a gaming channel. So if you want to subscribe to that, go in the description and you can subscribe to that. But that's what I've really been thinking about the past couple months. Sorry I haven't been uploading as much, you know, I always say this all the time, but I've just been busy, and I have no excuses. So that's it for the video, guys. I'm rambling on. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll probably also leave in the description below. There's probably a to donate from Hurricane Harvey or Hurricane Irma. So you guys can, if you want to check that out, you guys can donate if you really want to. You don't have to. But if you want to share this video, if you can't donate, so I'll leave the websites probably below. I have to look for a website. I don't know it at the top of my head right now, but thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you. I already said that, and I'll see you in the next one. Awkward outro. Goodbye.